Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to enable or disable the caps lock key sound in your Windows 11. So for this guys, this is the simple and very short video. Just go to start, type here toggle keys and open this toggle keys. So as you can see here, toggle keys play a sound when you press caps, num or scroll lock. Just enable this. If you want to enable, you turn on this and press the caps lock, num lock or scroll lock and you can listen the sound. If you want to disable, just turn off this. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.